Hello, everyone. Today we are going to walk through how to calculate the odds of a wager by using the expected probability. If you are familiar with odds making, you know that American odds will show the favorite of a wager as a negative number and the underdog of a wager as a positive number. You can think about the favorite odds as the amount of money wagered to win $100. Likewise, the underdog is the amount of winnings for every $100 wagered. We have a few quick examples to go through. To start with, how to calculate the math behind a wager on the favorite. So if we look at our formula here, it's the negative probability divided by 1 minus the probability times 100. So in our example here, in Excel, we are assuming a 60% probability. So we are taking negative 60% divided by 1 minus 60% times 100. And that gives us American odds of negative 150, meaning I have to wager $150 to win $100. On the other side of the bet is the underdog. The math here is 1 minus the probability divided by the probability times 100. Again, we have it in Excel here in the 40% probability, 1 minus 40% divided by 40% times 100. It's a little bit odd that you have two separate formulas to calculate the odds, but it's just the American convention to show it always as in relation to $100, which is the typical way you'll see it demonstrated on sports books. You can combine them into just one formula. We have an example here of a table ranging from 10% probability to 90% probability and the American odds associated with each probability. We did that by just showing here a quick if formula. So if the probability is greater than 50%, meaning their favorite, we'll use the favorite odds. And otherwise, we will use the underdog odds. So we can do that all the way through. And then you can see at the 50% mark, anything with a lower probability than 50%, we're going to start showing the underdog odds. This is a really helpful reference as you're making a wager. For example, if you believe the wager you are making has an 80% chance of happening, you know you better be getting negative 400 odds or better, meaning negative 400, negative 300, negative 200. Otherwise, it will be a negative value bet. On the other side, if you know that the probability of the wager you're making is only 20%, that wager makes sense if you can get positive 400 or better. So positive 400, positive 500, positive 600. And if so, then you know it's a positive expected value outcome. So this is a helpful table. All of the calculations, you can type in your own probability and the odds will just spit out using this simple if statement. Of course, if you're interested in downloading this directly, there's a link in the description. Otherwise, Patreon members get access to all the workbook files. Thank you again for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye.